Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the quickest and easiest way to create a project plan in Smartsheet using the power of templates. If you've ever spent hours starting a project plan from scratch, you know how time-consuming that can be. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to jumpstart any project using Smartsheet Solution Center, so you can get organized and get moving fast. Let's dive right into Smartsheet and I'll show you the step-by-step process. First things first, when you're on the Smartsheet home page, look for the plus sign, which is usually in a spot that's easy to find in most tools. This plus is your gateway to creating something new, and in our case today, we want to use it to create a new project plan. Go ahead and click that plus sign. Don't worry if the interface looks busy at first. Smartsheet is packed with features, but we're just focusing on what we need right now. Once you click the plus icon, you'll see several options pop up, and among them is Template. Templates are a fantastic way to save time, especially with planning, which can otherwise eat up hours or even days. Now on this screen, look for the option to view all templates. It might also say Browse Templates depending on your version, but the idea is the same. You want to open up that full gallery of pre-made project plans and organizational tools. Now you're in what's called the Solution Center. Think of it as Smartsheet's giant library of templates for all sorts of use cases. Up in the search bar, type the word plan. This will filter down the selection and bring up several planning templates, everything from simple project plans to more detailed Gantt chart layouts. Take a minute to browse and pick out a template that feels like it fits your needs. For example, if you're managing a marketing campaign, you might see a plan designed just for that. If it's a product launch, Smartsheet has you covered there too. Just pick the one that suits your project best. After you've found your template, click on it. You'll usually see a preview giving you a sense of how it's structured. If it looks right, hit the button that says Create from Template. This part might take a few moments as the template loads into your workspace, so don't worry if there's a brief pause. Now here, where the magic happens, you're officially inside your new project plan. The beauty of these templates is their flexibility. You're not stuck with a rigid structure. Go ahead and start customizing. Change the project title, edit the task names, set new dates, and add or remove columns as you see fit. Maybe you want to add your team members, set priorities, or drop in file attachments. The template is just a starting point. You can personalize it as much as you want until it really feels like your own project. And that's it. You've just created a fully working project plan in Smartsheet, and you've done it in a fraction of the time it would take to build one from the ground up. Remember, templates are meant to make your life easier, and you can always tweak and improve them as your project evolves. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Got questions, or maybe you want to see more Smartsheet tutorials? Drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides on project management and productivity tools. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next project.